Accidents happen in a flash, and without footage, proving what really happened can be tough. You need a dash cam that's reliable, records in stunning detail, works day and night, and doesn't miss a thing, even when you're parked. Today, we're revealing the top dash cameras you simply can't miss in 2025, from 4K beasts to ultra-compact wonders. Let's dive right in. First up, the VIOFO A329 4K 60 FPS dash. Cam front and rear is a true powerhouse for drivers who demand top-tier protection. It records crystal clear 4K UHD at 60 frames per second on the front camera and 2K QHD on the rear, thanks to its dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors. With HDR imaging on both channels, it handles difficult lighting, like glare or dark tunnels, effortlessly. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 ensures super-fast transfer speeds when managing footage via the VIOFO app. It supports up to a massive 4TB SSD through its USB-C port or 512GB microSD card, meaning you can store days of footage without worry. If you want professional-grade video quality and ironclad protection from both ends of your vehicle, the A329 is a top pick. Next, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro 4K 3 channel dash cam, perfect for drivers who want full 360 protection. It features a 4K front camera, 1080p interior camera, and 1080p rear camera, using Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, combined with PlatePix technology for insanely sharp details, especially license plates, even at night. With HDR night vision, footage stays bright and clear, even in pitch-black conditions. The N4 Pro offers voice control, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and a reliable 24-hour parking mode with motion detection. Supporting up to 512GB microSD cards, it's perfect for professional drivers, Uber and Lyft drivers, or anyone who wants complete vehicle coverage. Coming in hot, the 70mm A810 4K dash. Cam front and rear brings cutting-edge technology for a fantastic price. It records in true 4K resolution up front and full HD at the rear using Sony Starvis 2 sensors with HDR night vision. The A810 supports 4G LTE with an optional module, giving you remote live viewing and alerts through your phone. It includes ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, offering lane departure and collision warnings while driving. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make downloading videos and tracking locations simple. Its AI motion detection and 24/7 parking surveillance mean your car is always watched, whether you're driving or away. If you want powerful performance in a user-friendly design, check out the ROVE R2-4 KPRO-CAM. This camera shoots in 2160p UHD at 30 frames per second, capturing razor-sharp details even at high speeds. It offers built-in GPS for precise location and speed logging, and 5G Wi-Fi for rapid file transfers to the ROVE app. With a 2.4-inch IPS screen, it's easy to preview footage on the spot. Wide Dynamic Range WDR technology ensures excellent night vision and balanced exposure in tricky lighting conditions. The ROVE R2-4 KPRO supports up to 512GB microSD cards and includes a strong 24-hour parking mode for round-the-clock protection. Finally, if you want something incredibly compact, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is a brilliant pick. This tiny dash cam offers 1080p HD recording with a 140-degree wide field of view, giving you great coverage without taking up any windshield space. It comes with a built-in clarity polarizer, reducing glare and reflections for cleaner, clearer footage even on sunny days. The Mini 3 features automatic recording, voice control for hands-free operation, and parking surveillance mode with optional wiring. Despite its size, it packs serious recording power. Perfect for those who want maximum stealth and minimal dashboard clutter. Which dash cam would you trust for your next adventure? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you're ready to grab one, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.